Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I've picked up a multifunction wireless car MP3 Bluetooth FM transmitter to go with this old Hyundai that I have here. This is a 2010 Hyundai Accent, and it doesn't have, it just has an auxiliary port for the stereo. But this will give me Bluetooth capability, and I can answer my phone through this, apparently. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm going to try it and see how that works. So this is what the box looks like. Open the box up, see what we got. Okay, pretty thick manual. And then the unit is very small. Very, very small. Okay, let's see here. All right, and this is what it looks like not illuminated. So it's not very big. It's got your power on the sides and the bottom to make your connections. It's got a skip function and then your channel and phone. So you can take phone calls on this supposedly. And it's got a microphone right here, that little hole there, so you can do your hands-free talking. So we'll try this out. Plug this in. Turn the accessory on the car. Oh, it lights up. Blue. Bluetooth. See if it's discoverable as Bluetooth here. Yeah, let's turn that off here. Settings. Bluetooth. T25. Connected. Nice. I'm connected already to the T25. Okay. FM frequency adjust mode. 1, 2. It's flashing. 87.5. So let's go to 87.5. Alright, here I am, squeezed way down on my car. Final thoughts on the T25. This guy right here, super easy to use, was great to set up. It works like a charm, it sounds great, and I really love it, and it was worth every penny. So yeah, if you have an older car, like this is a 2010, it does have an auxiliary input in the stereo, but the stereo doesn't have Bluetooth, which means you can't answer the phone. And this has Bluetooth, and I've used the phone with it, and it picks up really well. There's a little microphone in it, and you just answer the phone by touching your phone, and it comes up with T25 on it, and it's hands-free. It's beautiful. Works like a charm. So yeah, do I like it? Absolutely. Instead of swapping out my stereo, I'm still going to need a phone mount. So I just went this route, and it's much cheaper and much easier. So quick and easy, 5 minutes and you're done. Anyway, thanks for watching.